Model, 2019 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130PS 350 L2H3 rear-wheel drive Mark 8 needs turbo bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,787. MOT, the 27th of September 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfectly, turbo needs replacing. The engine starts and sounds brilliantly. Just need a simple turbo replacement, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,295.